Hello, welcome back to Dubai Vet Talks, all about veterinary career in Dubai, final part.
Yeah. So everybody is like so confused. Oh, it's very tough or like lovely or something. See, most of us, we have like this 5.5 years of our BDSC or like, our veterinary degree. Yeah. Most of us have like post-graduation degree as well. So for us, I don't think it's a big deal of this exam. So it's mainly based on, the curriculum is mainly based on the large animal medicine. And also there is a part of the curriculum also based on the law of animal, animal all the how was the clinic working? So there are like some articles in the law that stating how a clinician should work in a UAE, like what are the requirements that they should meet to work in certain situations. Like that. So you have to understand the law behind that.
Oh, okay.
So it's mainly that.
Role of veterinarians and their responsibilities and what they do if any another vet refer a case to you, like a normal curriculum,
So like the closest of working, how ethically that we are working, or we should be working in that.
That's like a small portion.
So right?
The rest is like notifiable diseases
mainly large animal and poultry.
And also camel is included,
yes,
right?
Because here in UAE, camel is also an integral part of the UAE culture and also the farming. So that one, because the exam is common for all.
Yes, and also only written, no clinical.
No clinical. In the sense, like if you are a large animal veterinarian or if you're a small animal clinician, doesn't matter to the category here.
Yes.
It's like a common exam for all.
Yeah.
You can work anywhere. So you want to work in a
farm also,
farm or a poultry farm, you can work like from the licensing. So you are a licensed vet here in UAE, so you can work in a lab, you can work in a farm, you can work in a private clinic, you can work in like a lot of other.
Also, there are pharmacies and also nutritions, right? Like Nova Pharma,
yes, feeding
related feed companies,
like large animals or like even
pet nutrition,
exactly. So you can work in all those fields. Like you just need this one license.
Okay, next doubt is what is the basic salary if you are starting a career in Dubai? Like two categories. If you are a fresher and starting as a vet nurse or vet tech, what's the salary?
Okay, so
like it's a range actually. You cannot say like this is the salary you get. It depends upon
depending on the area that you are working also.
True.
So if you're in a pharmacy, the salary range would be very less. Okay, like in a farm also,
very
less. And if you're in a private sector like pet animal industry, then the salary range would be like moderate. Okay, so for a fresher, to start with, I would say it ranges from, like I'm talking about pet clinics, so ranges from as a fresher. So if you're working as a not a vet tech, like a fresher vet nurse, at least you should be getting like 4,000 to 6,000. Okay, like a fresher, so that is a minimum salary that we are giving for a vet nurse. But if you're a vet tech, then it can go from
with the eligibility to get the vet tech license, right?
So if you're able to get a vet tech license, then like considering you have 2 years experience, then the salary would be like 6 to 9, something like that. Okay, but this also depends on which area.
And the clinic, if it's a big group of clinic or like already established clinic, they will offer you more. If it's like a startup 1 year or 2 year clinic, they cannot afford, right?
Depends. And also like I said before, depends on which area that you're working. You're in a farm or a large.
Also the Emirate also. If it's in Sharjah, it's less, right?
Amman, Sharjah, it's less. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, they pay well for for the jobs. And Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah and all.
Alain,
it's also less because the cost of living
considering
also less there. So obviously the salary would be high in Emirates like Dubai and stuff.
And also for a vet.
So the vet, I would say if you have like a decent time, like a 5 years experience, you should be getting around 15 to 18,000 as a beginning. In the sense, depending on your quality, in the sense
the skills.
So you have 5 years experience, you have like masters in radiology or surgery, and you have masters in some other ultrasonography. Depending on that one, your average salary also varies. Even if it is the starting salary. And depends on your. So, for example, you have 5 years experience somewhere outside India. That also matters. So if you're like 5 years experience veterinarian, you have like a more than experience outside India, and you have like some certain skill set, then I would say like 20 to 25 you should be getting the salary like as a newer or fresher in UAE.
Yeah, just to start with
Yes.
a new, like already gained skills
Yes.
as a vet. Yeah, that much of salary. You
But
can get.
others, I would say like before, like 15 to 18. should
Yeah,
be getting
if you are just starting as a general practitioner.
here in Dubai.
Yeah, and from here, like you can improve, learn, and
course.
yeah, a lot of
and-
things. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I mean, and then year by year, of course, here what matters, UAE experience matters. Started here, I didn't have like 5 years experience. right?
Yeah.
So when I was like assistant vet, and then 3 more years, and then I got the license. Shortly after
yeah.
that. But now, I mean, I didn't experience as an Indian like
That actually-
there was any discrimination
Ah.
from others that I shouldn't be getting a vet license.
Mm.
But it depends on your employer or like case to case as well. Yeah.
Mhm.
But I think it matters mostly based on your skill set, like you know, how much knowledge and how much skill you gained while you were performing under pressure, because this is a
Yeah,
lot of stress
Yeah.
in our job, right?
Yes. yes.
So and how much you excel and how much more you can contribute, depending on that one.
There are more chances that you get hired or not.
Yes.
Yeah. So the freshers, it's a good option to come over Dubai and to start as a vet tech. You gain more skills and learn
Yeah.
new things and get into the international exposure
Yeah.
of a veterinary career.
Of course, I mean, compared to India here, it's entirely different.
Yeah.
The work culture here is different.
The nature of work,
The nature of work,
communication.
yeah, everything is like
Yeah.
very different.
Different, yes.
Here clients is
King. Yeah.
as a newly fresh vet from India, you will not have these much things.
Ideas.
Yeah, or,
What's going on?
or like how to work in a clinic here in Dubai. So I would say it's a good opportunity to work as a vet tech or a vet nurse. I mean, if you are open
Very,
to that
yeah.
one.
Yeah.
But not everybody is open to this position, because I can imagine, because I've been going to all these.
Me too. Like you do consultations, you have the authority to
Yeah.
treat a
Yeah.
patient back in India, and you come here and you cannot even prescribe omeprazole to a client, and you are judged every time. You will
Yeah.
feel like downgraded initially.
Yeah.
But we all came through that struggle. But we learned a lot, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
Whatever I have learned, I have learned. I
Right.
mean, like, I'm not talking about like theory. I'm
Yeah.
talking about
The
the practical
practical,
or
yeah.
the clinic aspect that all I have learned is from here. And also, like, some are not open to being a vet nurse because
Yeah.
no, like I can understand like the frustration because everything has gone through my mind already. So if you're open and willing and and ready to see the difference, or ready to take up like the course or the journey,
Yeah.
then this is all for you.
But there is an assurance, right? Like once you start with a vet nurse, you have always open doors to improve yourself
Yeah.
and to become a vet tech,
Yes,
then as
yeah.
a vet.
Yeah.
Like it's like an open market. You have,
You shouldn't restrict your
yourself.
journey
Yeah.
or your
Growth.
path of
Yeah.
growth, exactly.
Yeah.
Like, you shouldn't limit
Yes.
your growth.
Yeah.
Anyway,
You have to improve every day. You have to learn something.
Yes,
else.
I mean,
Yeah.
you have to take like CPD courses. You have to have like some diploma courses. You have to have some vigorous training on other things. We have like not only Indians, we have other Asian countries also working
Yeah.
here as vets, other than the Europeans. And
Mm.
we don't have like much US nationalities here. We have like mostly UK vets,
Mm.
and then European vets, and then the Asian vets. And Asian vets also compared to, because here everything is also matters depending on your nationality. I'm not saying the other way, because it's true.
Yeah.
Okay? So if you're UK qualified vet, even if you're Indian, but if you're UK qualified vet, your salary is
different.
here. I mean, so like the rest of the Asians here is getting like promoted or like getting like higher salaries only when you increase your game. In the sense, you have like certain skill set. You go for like endoscopy training, and you have like ultrasound training for like a couple of weeks, and you acquire this one, and then you are telling your employer that I can do this one.
And you prove yourself.
You prove, then of course, you will be getting like
You can
salary.
negotiate actually. So that's about today's video. So I hope we have cleared the doubts regarding how to start a veterinary career in Dubai, what are the documents to be cleared, and also what are the basic job salary and also work culture that we follow in UAE. So thank you, Dr. Shipna, for
Thank you.
clearing our doubts. If you have any more doubts, please DM us, and also please follow Dr. Shipna's account as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.